Hello, my beautiful besties. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday. My name is Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, just welcome. What we do here is nails. And if you do enjoy what you're watching, please be sure to first stay to the end. And second, hit that subscribe button. So as you can see, we are working today in this beautiful medium purple. I was feeling inspired by the color. I knew what I wanted to do, but I didn't know what color I wanted to do it in. And I saw the purple. It was magic. It was magic. So now with the makeup brush and some cream gel by Modelones, the purple's Modelones as well. It's their Inspire gel. You need to go on their website and check that out. No, it's not sponsored, by the way. So with the Modelones, I'm just using that makeup brush and diffusing it across the purple as an ombre. And then I'm going to clean up the French line and use that ombre to create the French. And I'm going to do that on 3 nails. One of them I was completely out of frame. Guys, and the reason for that, excuse me, not that I need one, if you know, you know. The reason that it happened this time though is I rearranged my living room. And so my desk got set up. And I set it up a little different. I'm not sure I like where the camera is hitting. So I may have to revisit how it's set up. But that's why I'm a little bit out of frame right now, and I do apologize for that. But you can totally see I'm just cleaning up that French. Then we're going to cure those. Now, this is the Makartt stamping scraper. And it has its own pattern in there, as you can see. And we're going to go ahead and stamp it right on top of that ombre and all the way up to the top of the nail. So the ombre ends up being the French ends up being the ombre with the stamp. I love this look. I've seen a couple of people do it. I don't even know who started the trend or who to give credit to. If you know, let us know in the comment section below. But I've seen this technique done by a lot of different people, and I love it. Mostly I see it done with an airbrush machine. I don't have one, so if you don't have one, you can use a makeup brush. Guys, I'm coming in with some striping tape, and we're just gonna make a quilted pattern. I just thought it would be a super pretty way to complement the nails that we did. I think it came out super duper cute. The purple is not an exact match, but I think that's more because it's chrome. It is a tiny bit of a deeper purple, I think, but it's in the same family, and it's got a chrome shine to it. So it does stand out from the other purple, but I think they match. I think they go together really well. If you disagree, let me know. If you agree, definitely let me know. Oh my goodness. So I'm just using these little scissors and getting as close as I can and clipping them off. I did not spend a ton of time making sure that I filed every one, you know, completely flush. If you're going to wear striping tape, you need to take some precautions. You need to make sure that you cut it a little shorter than you think you want it, so that it's completely encapsulated with your top coat, because it will lift up. It will just curl right up, and it will take your top coat with it and leave a stripe behind of untop coated nail. So definitely make sure that you take care when you are using striping tape. No one's going to wear this nail, so it's a little, you know, let's get it done with it, right? But you don't want to do that if you're going to wear these in real life. Make sure you're extra careful with your striping tape. But it's a real easy way to achieve this look. You could do this as well with polish, you know, but I haven't used my striping tape in a while. I wanted to pull it out, and the purple goes really well with the other purple, and so that's how we managed that. Sorry, I went off frame to do a little clipping close to my face, and I thought I had cut that out, but clearly I didn't. So now what I'm gonna do, just because it's handy, and to completely encapsulate all of the striping tape, I am top coating these with that matte top coat that's just sitting right there, because I had already matte top coat the white nail, just because I think it's easier for the striping tape to fit or to stick to it. Now I have done a regular top coat on top, and again, if someone was going to wear this, I would have gone to more trouble to secure these gems, but we're just going to lay them down in the top coat because no one's going to wear these. Okay, only Carmen, and she is so gentle on her nails. That girl can wear the same set forever. This is the finished set. Guys, I hope you like them as much as I do. I think they came out super cute. Let me know what you'd like to see on the channel going forward. Don't forget to click all of my buttons. We're gonna see you on Friday for something that I've not done yet, so I hope it comes out really cute. We're gonna see you then, and if you're still here, be sure to give me a rock star in the comments. Bye-bye.